Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to the maths class. This is your maths teacher and I hope that everyone is doing good. Today's topic is numbers. Reference is Countdown Book 2, page number 4 to 11, and the subtopic is place value. First of all, we must know what is place value. Place value is the value of each digit in a number. It is also known as crowning. Now there are two things related to place value. Place value of a digit is actually the worth or value of the digit in the given number. And secondly, we also know place value as crowning. Crowning and or place value are the same concepts. Now here you can see a picture. In this picture you have different blocks. On the right hand side you can see a single block that represents ones. In the middle you can see a row of 10 blocks. This row of 10 blocks is known as tens, and on left hand side you can see a huge rectangular prism. In this prism you have 100 blocks, but you don't need to count all the 100 blocks. I am telling you the technique how to count these 100 blocks in few seconds. Just what you need to do, take the horizontal line. Horizontal line means from left to right or right to left. There are 10 blocks in one horizontal line. And now consider the vertical line. Vertical line means from top to bottom. There are 10 blocks in one vertical line. So we will multiply, we will see that 10 tens are 100. 10 tens are 100. From this we can get that 10 tens are 100 and 10 tens will make 100. So this huge rectangular prism represents 100. 10 tens makes 100. So the things related to this picture will be discussed in the next slides. Okay, first of all comes ones. Ones is the first step of the place value chart. In place value chart or in any number, ones comes at the first place. What includes in the ones column? The numbers, all the single digit numbers are included in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 9 numbers from 0 to 9 are included in the ones column. Then comes the 10. 10 has, in the column of 10 there are 10 blocks. In the column of 10 there are 10 blocks. This single row of 10 blocks shows that there are 10 blocks in each row, and this is called tens. 10 is the double digit number. So all the numbers which have double digit like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 up to 99 can come in the column of 10. But whenever we will add one digit to 99, it will become 100, because 99 plus 1, 100. 100 is a 3-digit number. It cannot come in the column of 10, so that's why we need another column of 100. Now in 100, as I told you earlier, that how can you count the blocks present in the 100 block. You can count the columns, you can count the blocks present in vertical row, and then you can count the blocks present in horizontal row. There are 10 blocks in horizontal row and 10 blocks in vertical row, so 10 tens are 100. So there are 100, there are 10 100 blocks which are making 100 column. Another way to add these blocks are, we know that in each row there are 10 blocks, so 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 10 40, and similarly we will go up to 100 blocks. Okay, here you have two blocks, two columns, ones and tens. In the column of ones there are 5 small blocks, and in the column of tens there are three rows of 10 blocks in each. It means that 10 plus 20, 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30. There are 3 tens. We will not say 30 tens, because 3 tens and 30 are same. You will either say 30 or you will say 3 tens. So 5 ones and 3 tens. It is written 5 ones and 3 tens. Now here is the slide in which you will come to know the concept of expanded form. In expanded form, we write the place value of the number. We write the number according to their place value along with the sign of plus among them. In the slide you can see that there are 2 columns, ones and tens. There are 4 blocks in ones column, and 4 rows of 10 blocks in each in the tens column. So its expanded form would be, I told you we start reading the numbers in maths from the left hand side. So on the left hand side there is a column of tens. So 4 tens mean either add 10 4 times, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, or 4 tens are 40. So it has become 40 plus 4. 4 blocks are present in one column, so 4. 40 plus 4 is equals to 44. And how to read it? 4 tens plus 4 ones is equals to 44. Now this is the concept which I have already explained, but only difference is this, that here the blocks, here the rows in which 10 blocks are present in each are separated from each other. For your concept clarification, these are 10 rows of 10 blocks, and when we will join these 10 rows we will get a huge square of 100. Now this is the example. In this example, if you start from the right hand side, you have one block, then in the middle you have 10 rows, 4 rows of 10 block in each. It means that 4 tens. Okay? And in the on the left hand side you have two squares of 100. It means that you have 200, 4 tens and 1 ones, and this number will become 200. 4 tens are 40, 200 plus 40 plus 1, and that will become 241. it is written ones, tens and hundred column, in which in the ones column 1 will come, in the tens column 4 will come, and in the hundredth column 2 will come. So collectively we will read it like 241. What number does each abacus show? Abacus was used in old time for counting. Here you can see the picture of abacus. Now the difference is, instead of blocks we can see the beats in abacus. On the ones there are also 3 columns, 1, tens and hundred. In the ones column there are 4 beats. In the 10 column there are 7 beats. 7 beats means 7 tens, and 7 tens means 70. And in the third column, in the hundred column, you can see 3 beats. 3 beats mean 300. So the number will become 300. 7 tens means 70. 370. 4 ones means 4. 374. And the expanded form, as I told you earlier, that in expanded form we write the number according to their place values along with the sign of plus. So we start from the left. 300 plus 7 tens means 70 plus 4 ones means 4. 300 plus 70 plus 4 will give us 374. Write in hundred, tens and ones. Here is the example. 843. Now according to the place value chart, there must be 3 columns in the chart: ones, tens and hundred. 8 will be fixed in hundred column, 4 will be fixed in tens column, and 3 will be fixed in ones column. So it will become 843. So it has become 800, 4 tens and 3 1. And how to read it? 843. Then here is a place value chart is given. In the place value chart you can see 3 columns: ones, tens and hundred. In ones there is only 1 block. In tens there is a row of 10 blocks, and in hundred there are 10 tens, means 100. So you have to learn this place value chart. This is very much important, not only for this session, but for the higher classes as well. Okay, you need to do page number 4, 5 and 6 related to the concept of tens and ones, means 2 columns, and then you will do page number 8, 9, 10 and 11 as a homework. Now I am going to attach a video for your interest. Watch it.
Ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, every time, it happens every start with the ones place.
That's the first place.
First in line, it's first in line. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's digits 9. That's digits 9. I got one more.
There's that one.
Now I got 10. Now I got 10. 1 in the tens place.
That's the second space.
Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, every time, it happens every start with the ones place.
Where's that ones place?
First in line, it's first in line. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it's digits 9. What's after 9? Back to the tens place.
That's the second space.
But what's to the left?
Do you know what's to the left?
Let's just count it
We'll count by tens.
to see what's next.
Here we go now.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
What comes after 90?
I think I
tens. Everybody.
Ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, every time, it happens every time. The hundreds place, is third in line, you'll always get there.
Get to 100.
After 99, the hundreds place, is third in line, you'll always get there.
Get to 100.
After 99, ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, every time, it happens every time. Ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, say ones, tens, hundreds, every time, I got place value, and so do you. We all have value, yes we do.
Thanks for watching the video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.